Hello friends, welcome to Set Current Affairs. Today, Daily Current Affairs 13th October 2020. First question, what is the rank of India is the 2020 Commitment to Reduce Inequality Index? Options 103, 209, 155, 117. The Commitment to Reducing Inequality India rank is 129th. In CRI index, top country is Norway. Indian rank is 129. Indian rank is 129th. Apart from this, most important index rank is Human Capital Index 2020 released by World Bank. Top country is Singapore and India is 116th rank. And IMD Global Smart City Index 2020 of top country is Singapore and Indian city is Hyderabad. Global Economic Freedom Index is 2020. It's released by Fraser Institute Canada and top country is Hong Kong and India is 105th rank. Apart from this, Global Innovation Index released by WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organization, and top country is Switzerland. India is 48th rank. Sustainable Development Index 2020, its top country is Sweden. India is 117th rank. And World Competitiveness Index is 2020. Top country is Singapore. India is 43rd rank. And Environmental Performance Index, top country is Denmark. India is 168th rank. And also Henley Passport Index, top country is Japan. India is 84th rank. Social Mobility Report released by World Economic Forum, top country is Denmark. India is 76th rank. World Happiness Report released by United Nations, top country is Finland and India is 144th rank. Next question. Recently PM Modi released a commemorative coin of what value in honor of Rajmata Vijay Raja as India? Option 500, 250, 100, 150. Rajmata Vijay Arse India, its coin value is 100 rupees. 100 rupees. He is also Rajmata of Gwalior. Name the winner of 2020 Nobel Prize in Economic Science. Options: William D. Nordhaus and Paul Romer, B. Richard Thaler and Olive Hart, Esther Duflo and Michael Kremer, Paul R. Milgrom and Robert B. Wilson. Nobel Prize in Economic Science is Paul R. Milgrom and Robert B. Wilson. Both are from USA for improvement of auction theory and inventions in new auction formats. Apart from this, Nobel Prize in Economics first awarded in 1969. Reward for that is 9 million. It's presented by Royal Swedish Academy of Science, and first prize of economic science was awarded to Rutger Francis and Jan Tinbergen in 1969. For Indian winner of Nobel Prize in Economics is Amartya Sen in 1998 and Abhijit Banerjee is 2019. And also, complete winner list of Nobel Prizes: Nobel Prize in Physiology, Harvey J. Alter, Charles M. Rice, Michael Houghton for the discovery of hepatitis C virus, and Nobel Prize in Physics, Roger Penrose goes to half amount and remaining to half amount, Reinhard Genzel and Andrea Grenz. And Nobel Prize in Chemistry is Emmanuel Carpentier is France, Jennifer Doudna for the development of method for genome editing. Nobel Prize for Literature is going to Lucy Gluck, and Nobel Prize in Peace is World Food Programme. Next question. The 16-year-old Ava Morto was recently appointed as the Prime Minister of country for a day. Germany, Finland, Netherlands, Iceland. Ava Morto was recently appointed PM of Finland. Capital is Helsinki and currency is Euro. Finland in news is Ravish Kumar becomes the new ambassador of India to Finland. Valtteri Bottas, he is from Mercedes from 2020 onwards and he is from Finland. He won the Formula 1 race and Russian Grand Prix. India ranked 144th in 2020 World Happiness Report and top is Finland. India approves MOU with Finland for cooperation in mineral resources. Next question. When do we observe the International Day for Disaster Reduction? 12th October, 10th October, 11th October, 13th October. International Day for Disaster Reduction is 13th October and the theme is Disaster Risk Governance. Name the team which has won the National Basketball Association Championship 2020. Options: Houston Rockets, Miami Heat, Milwaukee Bucks, Los Angeles Lakers. Answer is Los Angeles Lakers. Champions in news. Los Angeles Lakers beat Miami Heat to win 17th NBA championship and India-Russia announced joint winner in FIDE online chess. Bayern Munich beat Paris Saint-Germain to win UEFA Champions League and Kevin De Bruyne named Premier League player in session 1920 and India 4x400 meter relay squad silver medal at 2018 Asian Games. It's upgraded to gold medal. Next question. Under the special festival advance scheme announced by FM, how much amount will be distributed to employees as interest-free advance to be spent on festivals? 10,000, 8,000, 4,000, 9,000. It is for interest-free advance. It for amount is 10,000 rupees. How much amount has been announced by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman as additional capital expenditure for 2020-21? 25,000 crore, 12,000 crore, 36,000 crore, 20,000 crore. Additional capital expenditure for 2021 is 25,000 crore. Next question. Which country has become the first nation to get blue flag certification for 8 beaches in a very first attempt? 8 blue flag certification for India is India. Very first attempt about 8 certification is Sivrajpur, Gujarat, Gokhal, Diu, Kasaragod, Karnataka, Padubdir, Karnataka, Kappad, Kerala, Rishikonda, Andhra Pradesh, Golden, Puri, Odisha, Radhanagar, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These are the 8 blue flag certifications. Next question. Which among the following institutes has developed antimicrobial food wrapping material? IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur, IIT Madras, IIT Roorkee. Antimicrobial food wrapping material is IIT Madras. IIT Madras. About IIT Madras in News 2020, IIT Madras develops Mosaic microprocessor. IIT Madras startup developed a portable hospital called Medicab. IIT Madras tops in Atal ranking 2020 for the second straight year and IIT Madras launches world first online BSc degree in programming and data science. IIT Madras develops lightweight magnesium alloy to replace steel and aluminum automobile industry. IIT Gandhinagar develops AI-based tool to detect COVID-19. IIT Mandi develops high-speed magnetic RAM, random access memory. IIT Ropa develops watt board for COVID-19 patients. IIT Bombay develops Indian receiver chip Dhruva. IIT Bombay student team develops low-cost ventilator Rudhar. IIT Bombay develops digital stethoscope called iSynic. IIT Bombay develops mobile app Quarantine. Which ship has awarded Best Ship Trophy at the Fleet Award Function 2020? INS Sahyadri, INS Kora, INS Rajput, both A and B. Best Ship Trophy for Fleet Award is INS Sahyadri, and INS Kora, both A and B, operation cycle for Eastern Fleet of the Indian Navy at Vishakhapatnam. Recently, the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh laid the foundation stone Naipu Tunnel is from Arunachal Pradesh. DRDO launches 44 bridges in Bro and laid a foundation stone Naichipu Tunnel in Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh in news is AP launches COVID Care app to combat COVID-19. Former Arunachal Pradesh Governor Ram Pradhan passes away. Innovation Festival begins in Arunachal Pradesh and Bro constructs Taporjio Bridge in Arunachal Pradesh. And also, Arunachal Pradesh becomes first state to ink MOU with IUCN. It means International Union for Conservation of Nature. It was established on 5th October 1948 and Parshuram Kund Mela of Arunachal Pradesh begins, and KVIC to set up Silk Training Cum Production Center in Arunachal Pradesh. Next question. On the occasion of International Day of Girl Child Day, who among the following got an opportunity to serve as the British High Commissioner for a day? Options: Disipriya Kanjam, Chaitanya Venkateshwaran, Nafisa Ali, Radhima Pandey. Answer is Chaitanya Venkateshwaran is the British High Commissioner for a day. Recently, the coastal security exercise Sagar Kavach was conducted on the coasts of Dash, Kerala, Karnataka, Lakshadweep, all of the above. Sagar Kavach connected on the all of the above, Kerala, Karnataka and Lakshadweep. Next question. Bro has built the country's longest steel bridge on Manali-Leh highway. The bridge is built on which river? Bhaga River, Chenab River, Ravi River, Jhelum River. Country's longest steel bridge Manali-Leh highway is on Bhaga River. Bridges in news is 2020. India's first glass floor suspension bridge to be built in Rishikesh at Uttarakhand, and Jitendra Singh inaugurates Devika Puneja Bridge in Jammu Kashmir. Bro constructs Daporjio Bridge in Arunachal Pradesh. Bro builds bridge to link Kosowal enclave in Punjab with rest in India. Anji Khad Bridge, Indian Railways, its first cable-stayed rail bridge in Jammu Kashmir. And also, Indian Railways constructs country's tallest pier bridge in Manipur. Nitin Gadkari inaugurates Kairin Gandal Bridge over River Ravi in Jammu Kashmir, and Nitin Gadkari inaugurates refurbished upstream carriageway of Mahatma Gandhi Bridge over River Ganga in Bihar. Next question. Which state government has launched the Kisan Rath mobile app to promote a buyer-seller network? Options: Tripura, Odisha, Assam, Uttar Pradesh. Kisan Rath mobile app goes to in Assam. Assam promotes both buyer and seller network. Apart from this, important apps in launch in news 2020 is ePeak Pahani app is from Maharashtra, English Pro app, Ministry of Education, Kormo app launched by Google, Harit Path app launched by Nitin Gadkari, Mausam app is launched Ministry of Earth Science, DGNCC app is from Rajnath Singh, COVID-19 BWM app launched by Supreme Court. Apart from this, Pension Corner app CISF, Super app Tata Group, Rozgar Sangi app is from launched by Chhattisgarh, eGyan Mitra mobile app Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu, Yodhav app launched by Kerala, Santust app launched by Labour Minister, and Humsafar app launched by Labour and Employment Minister. Friends, if you got the good information, please like the video and share the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.